everyone, and welcome to Craft With Us Live. I'm Cassandra, the museum educator here at Transcona Museum this summer. It's Nature Week, so we're going to be doing DIY bird feeders. So we're going to turn the camera around and get in its mount, and then we'll get started. Alright, so what you're gonna need, we're gonna be making this version of the DIY bird feeders, but you can also, instead of using a toilet paper roll, you can also use a piece of cardboard that you just cut out into a shape. So what you're gonna need is a toilet paper roll, some peanut butter, and some birdseed. I'd recommend having it in a bowl or on a plate to catch the extra. And you're also going to need some twine or string or yarn, a pair of scissors, a butter knife, and having a hole punch to punch your hole for the string at the end really helps, because you can cut it, but it's easier to punch. So first thing is we're going to punch a hole just so we know where it's going to be, because you won't put peanut butter on that spot. Okay. And then you're going to take your peanut butter and just spread it on your toilet paper roll. Now again, if you don't want to do the toilet paper roll, or if it's just easier for you to use cardboard, you can use thicker cardboard that you cut into whatever shape you want, and then just put peanut butter on that. It's the same process though. And we have someone monitoring for questions, so if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask and it'll be relayed to me. Okay. Make sure you get a decent coat on it. Then I'll put that aside. And then this is the part where you're going to sprinkle the birdseed onto the peanut butter. So just like that. This is why I say have a bowl, because even with a bowl, there's still birdseed going everywhere. Kind of keeping my fingers inside it so I don't take off too much of the peanut butter or to get too much of it on my hands. Then you shake off the excess, and then I'll just put it there for a moment. Okay, and then you take your string and you cut a length of string. And then you thread your string through the hole you made at the beginning, and then just tie it off. And that is your bird feeder, so you can just go out and hang that up on a tree, and I'm sure the birds will love it.
We have a question.
Okay.
If you have a peanut allergy, do you suggest using a different type of spread or material?
Yeah, absolutely. I would use probably a sun butter or something like a peanut butter substitute, because it needs to be sticky enough to hold the birdseed, but it also has to, you have to be able to spread it onto your surface. Thank you for the question. Anyone else before we...
Not at this time.
Alright, so I'll see you guys next week Friday for the live. Next week is Stars in Outer Space Week. So we're going to be making Solar System in a Jar. And on the live, we're going to be making Pipe Cleaner Constellations. Alright, see you guys next week.